everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on an Apple HomePod Mini. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. You're probably looking at your Apple HomePod Mini and looking for a lever, a switch, a button that is going to be labeled like on or off or power or anything like that, or have some sort of symbol, the power symbol, and you're not going to find it because this doesn't have a battery in it and it doesn't charge. Okay, you can see the cord is directly connected to this. It doesn't plug, it doesn't get unplugged from it. So to turn on your Apple HomePod Mini, it's actually really easy. You take your cord, you connect it to the power brick, which has been provided to you in the box as well. At least in my case, I received one in the box as well when I bought it. And you want to plug it into an electrical outlet, okay? Just like that. And then it's going to take a few moments to boot up, but what will happen is it will boot up and it will be turned on. So once it's plugged in, you know, it's going to be turned on, but it does take a few moments to boot up, and you'll know when it's turned on, okay? Now, in addition, if you plug it in and your Apple HomePod Mini doesn't turn on, you can see it's illuminated right there, and it doesn't turn on, then what you should do is check the following. I'm just going to unplug it just for a moment here. You're going to check, first and foremost, your electrical outlet. Make sure that the electrical outlet is working. You're going to check your power brick, make sure that it's rated for the correct amperage, wattage, and all that electrical stuff. And make sure, you know, your actual ports and connectors are good to go, the pins inside and so forth, and make sure your cord is good to go. Because if you are plugging it in and it's not turning on, then that means there's likely a problem between the power source and your HomePod Mini, okay? So with that being said, in order to turn it on, the short answer is just plug it in. There's no switch, there's no button, just plug it in and you can turn on your Apple HomePod Mini. If it's not turning on once you plugged it in, then you can look into it a little bit further by trying to solve what the problem is. There are a few other things that you can try and do, but essentially the first things that you want to do are make sure that the power supply is ending up at the HomePod. That's the idea here. That the HomePod is actually receiving power. Because most of the time, that's where your trouble is going to lie if you're plugging it in and it's not turning on. Yeah, but a lot of people seem to believe there is a battery in here, that it charges, it's portable, you can bring it anywhere. You can bring it anywhere that there's an electrical outlet. There's no battery, there's no charger, there's no on or off switch. You plug it in and it gets turned on. It's literally as simple as that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.